and welcome to another video. So today I have a UV wand disinfector. It's the KPP brand X5. Let's go over the box and see what it shows. So just the barcode, nothing else. Here it gives you the different UV bands and what they are used for. So the UVC band, which kills or denatures DNA and RNA. This is the band we would be using to clean up our portable devices or whatever devices once we've been outside and touched it with dirty hands. Okay, so this is sort of a post-COVID kind of thing that a lot of people are buying to disinfect their devices. I'm not sure if it actually works for anything, but I figured I'd give it a try. So easy unboxing here. Just kind of open it up here. There we go. Let's pull it out. Okay, nothing else in the box. Ooh, little card. Okay, tiny little print on here, just incredibly small. Test results. And okay, so this is, I don't know what that is, but nothing useful. Okay, this is seems like a quick start guide, so this is probably more useful to us. Tells you what all the buttons do. So there's a flip panel, LED indicator, input interface, child safety lock, power button, and UV LED bulbs. How to use. So you gotta charge it fully before use. You gotta hit the child safety lock, which is a good thing to have. You don't want your child blinding themselves with UV radiation or giving themselves cancer. You gotta use safety glasses before use, then flip the panel downward and double click the power button to activate the wand. All right, press the power button once to turn wand off. So you gotta run it over a surface for 5 to 10 times to sanitize. Once it's powered off, you gotta fold the LED panel and engage the child safety lock again. So next time you can avoid any abuse. Okay, there's all these technical parameters. Discharge time, so it runs for 15 minutes, but it's pretty good. The LED, the UVC LED, lifespan's 10,000 hours, which is pretty long. Okay, comes with a wand, a USB cable. Okay, comes with some warranty information. All right, let's pull it out of the box here. Cable. Hope it's USB-C, but it's probably micro USB. Let's have a look. Oh, micro USB as expected. We'll go ahead and charge it up. I don't really need the cable, but it's a nice cable actually. Nice grippy feeling cable. At least they didn't cheap out on the cable. All right. I'll leave a link to it below, by the way, if you're wondering. Can't remember how much it cost, but I think it was about $50, $60. Let's put all this stuff to the side. Okay, prohibiting direct sight to eyes and skin. The product is not suitable for children, of course. Okay. This is the charge port. That's just one end of it. This is the UVC LED surface. There was a child lock. Okay, here's a child lock. It's currently in the locked position. There's this warm tips. I guess they meant hot tips, but the direct translation changed to warm tips. Switch the child lock so it tells you how to use it on here. All right, let's switch the child lock. So now it's unlocked. Then, oh, I think it's dead. Let me charge it and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so I have it plugged in to charge and the red light is on the power button. Also, it has a gravity sensor. You hear that clicking? That's because there's a gravity sensor. So if you have the LED light on and you flip it up, it automatically turns off. It's just another safety feature. Okay, so I have this device charged. We're gonna unlock the safety unlock, child safety unlock. Open the lamp up. There's multiple LEDs. There's 12 UVC LEDs. You double tap to turn it on. So let's double tap. And so apparently it says do 5 to 6 pass-throughs or 5 to 10 pass-throughs to sterilize. I'm going to point it away from us. Then same thing over here. and you should be done. And apparently it has a gravity sensor, so I'm going to keep it away from me and then turn it up and see if it turns off. And yep, it turns off. So as soon as you turn it up, it turns off, and you turn it down, it turns back on. You press the button again, it turns off. And make sure you turn off the child safety lock when putting it away. But that is it. I don't know if it actually works to kill everything, but in theory it should denature any RNA or DNA on your device. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.